Something's growing. A spring wrenger found hung on a tree at Moorbank on NGS Open Day, 27th of March 2011. The cherry tree erased the record of last night's lost hour, unravelled spools of curling tape. An empty pond, frogs on the move. Spring unfurling, winter weight lifted, invest in the seed. Rowan came to see a tree, found out about the bumblebee. A scattering of lacy leaves, honey flowing down Aaron's beard. An unknown wonder in the space of the city. Eager faces searching lost sunshine, fragile blossoms succouring winter-starved bees. Spiny spheres, slate-like, survive and spread. Desert orphans await the first rains. The Vietnamese forest queen glows in her secret grove. My name is Suicide Lily. Lead me to my Madagascan bed. The earth is alive, fragments and debris pieced into poetry. Anomiums, like satellite dishes. Datura stramonium, devil's trumpet, virginal white, but deadly. Little turgid bellies nestle amongst stone. Plants from far-flung places living side by side peacefully. That cactus, a green rocket. 7 months for chasing our missing hour. Senses sing, joy flowering. Spring, the eternal return. Life begins again. Light and shade, mystery, then illumination.